In this video, I will guide you how to withdraw your DOGS to Binance. Ensure you have a Binance account. If not, create one first. What you will need is your Binance DOGS wallet address and memo. Log in to Binance. Open the Binance app or access it via the web platform. Navigate to Wallet, then Spot Wallet and find DOGS. Click Deposit and copy the provided DOGS wallet address. Some transactions require a memo. Copy it from the same deposit page. Open the platform where your DOGS airdrop is held. Locate the withdraw option and paste your Binance DOGS wallet address and memo. Double check all details and submit the withdrawal request. That's it. Your DOGS tokens will be on Binance shortly. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.